Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth because QuickShare uses both for speed and discovery. Once done, open the file or photo you want to send and tap Share. Choose QuickShare from the list. Make sure the receiving Vivo phone is awake and unlocked so it can appear. You're initiating the connection now, not explaining options. Tap the QuickShare icon and wait a moment for devices to find each other, which usually takes just a couple of seconds. After QuickShare scans, you'll see nearby devices. Pick the receiver's exact device name so you don't send to the wrong phone. Once selected, verify the file type and any preview options because images and large files handle differently. Tap Send, you'll see a progress bar and percentage on your screen, and the other phone shows an incoming prompt. Stay close and avoid switching networks. If you change Wi-Fi or disable Bluetooth, the transfer will pause or on the receiving Vivo, accept the incoming QuickShare request. This confirms permission and starts the download. Once you see the progress reach 100%, open the file to confirm it opened correctly and saved where expected, such as gallery or files. If the transfer stalls, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both phones. Next, close and reopen QuickShare. If problems persist, restart both devices. These steps resolve most connection.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.